I can't win, I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you.
Kasi na maliit lang talaga yung students dito, from 250 to 300 enrollees pa lang. Pero hindi siya naging hindrance para makapagbigay yung Campus Student Council at yung Student Affairs ng quality services. This year, naramdaman at nakita talaga namin yung tinatawag na university life at kung paano ba talaga maging part ng society. Ako, as part of the publication, hand in hand with the Student Council, nandun talaga yung puso para makapagbigay ng dekalidad na programs and services para sa mga estudyante. Despite doon sa budget ng school na to, kasi we really want to engage, excel, and exceed.
Sobrang challenging talaga yung yun ito as a student leader. Maraming mga dagdag na activities na nandun talaga yung objectives upang mawala yung student habit.
May times na gusto namin sumoko dahil mahirap ang maging isang estudyante, isang leader. Pero as a campus student council, nagampanan natin responsibilities.
Joy, diba? Kasi tayo na yung medyo matagal pa sa council, tapos nakita natin yung hindi malaking pagbabago.
Oo, pagbabago in terms of population. Pero yung mga ginagawa nating activities, hindi lang siya dapat basta pagbaga campus, kung hindi pag university.
Diba yung sa nangyari lahat nangyari. Yung nabuo naman natin yung pride tsaka yung pagiging proud natin. Na ito na rin yung masasabi natin yung sa mga napagdaan natin, ito na rin yung sweldo na parang may nababago tayo, nandun tayo sa pagbabago ng puso, sa isip ng estudyante, sa mga hinahangad natin sa kanilang mga activities. Yun yung nasabi ko na it's more fun in Baga Campus.
I can't erase, so I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you. Oh, without you. I can't quit now, this can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you. Without you.
In this kind of institution, everybody should conform with the requirement of being excellent and producing new breed of responsible youth. And I can say that with the existence of the student leaders of this university, there is progress, there is development, there is change. We can say that Campus Student Council is one of the arms of the university in achieving its vision to be the center of excellence.
Marami sa Campus Student Council yung SK din. At ito sa isang magandang way para makita namin yung totoong leadership, yung totoong paglilingkod na wala kang inaasahang kapalit. At nakikita rin namin dito yung essence ng existence ng Campus Student Council. Sabi nga sa kanta, I can fly, I can pray, I will never win this game without you. And that you is the Campus Student Council.
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never this game without you. Without you, I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you. Without you.